want to show you how to do a lemon fast meal or juice cleanse. You're going to take 1 lemon, or you can take 2 as well. Take a pinch of cayenne pepper. Over there, put a bit of maple syrup or honey. It doesn't really matter. Okay? And you're going to take some water. That's it. That's your meal, literally. You're going to have this, 3 times a day, 4 times a day, whatever it is. You're going to have this and nothing else, okay? It's very important to understand this. This and nothing else. That's your lemon fast drink. This is astringent. This will clean out your system, get rid of toxins. It pulls out toxins for you, okay? This is really tough to do. You do this for 10, 20, 30 days. If you're ill, 30 days, and it's going to get rid of everything inside you. The question is, can you do it? Do you have the willpower to do it? And I beg to think that you can, because you're in this spot right now, you want to get better. And what's 10 days? What's 20 days? What's 30 days? The only thing that's going to get you is boredom. Take a walk through nature, meditate, pray, read, do something distracting, and say to yourself that you are worth it and accomplish what you want to accomplish. It's that simple. This simple drink that nature has given you can help you get to where you need to be. So I hope this helps you, I hope this inspires you.